Hi, my name is Hossam Gadamsi and I'm responsible for the sales of the BorPower product line in Europe. Today we would like to put two brand new generators with 4-stroke gasoline engines through a really arduous, hardcore test. One of the engines will be operated using the motor oil recommended by the manufacturer. The second engine will be operated using the same motor oil in addition to our BorPower NanoGreen MS250 oil additive. We'll also be using our BorPower NanoFuel Fuel for One additive for maximum effect. In times of fake news, we have decided to film the entire test with a time-lapse camera that will take photos of our operations in 30-second intervals so that you can be sure that we have not been engaged in any manipulation. We also have an external sworn automotive expert, Mr. Chimeric, who will be monitoring the tests and then also be verifying and certifying our findings in an official report. Please stay tuned because there's a likelihood that at least one of the engines is not going to survive this day. One of the engines will be treated with the BorPower NanoGreen MS250 for ultimate engine protection. A very complex and elaborate process is used in order to create boron nanoparticles, which is the active ingredient in our products. These particles, that amongst other things reduce the friction and wear in an engine, are 10,000 times smaller than the cross-section of a human hair. They coat the inside of the engine with a nanometer thick coating that prevents metal-to-metal contact, with the following effect in any 4-stroke engine. First of all, an increase in power and torque, a much smoother running and more responsive engine, lower emissions. In diesel engines, a test conducted by the German TÜV shows a reduction of particulate emissions by almost 50%. And most importantly, a dramatic decrease in engine friction, which in turn increases the engine lifespan and reduces the wear and tear during normal operations. This reduction of friction by creating a nanoscopic coating in the engine virtually eliminates the adverse effect of cold start, which specialists call the engine's little death, because it's during the cold start phase that the engine experiences the most wear. It is also important to note that our products do not have any chemically active ingredients and in no way affect the delicate balance of the formulation of your valuable engine oil. BorPower affects the boundary layer of the engine in a purely physical manner. The boron nanoparticles do not adhere to one another and are not fused together into a continuous coating as is sometimes the case with ceramics-based products. They are just billions of discrete and minute nanoparticles protecting and lubricating your engine without any abrasion. It's like talcum powder that is used to protect the baby's skin, except that our boron particles are 1,000 times smaller than talcum powder particles. The fuel additive we are using to maximize the effect of BorPower NanoGreen is BorPower Fuel for One, which helps increase the octane or cetane level of your fuel while cleaning and lubricating any valves or injection units. There are a few Me Too products in the market that claim to use boron nanotechnology, but to my knowledge though, we are the only company that can prove that our products contain boron nanotech components. These certificates are available on our website. You will be able to witness the effect of our products on engines in this video, and maybe you will then understand why professional car driver Andreas Pfister uses it in his race cars, and why old-timer guru Josef Zabel uses BorPower to ensure ultimate protection for the engines of his entire incredibly precious fleet of old-timers. Let's begin. Thanks for watching. By the way, we want to make sure that your interests and not only your engines are protected, so we offer a 100% threefold money-back guarantee on our products. In addition, every engine that uses our products is covered in all of Europe by the Generali insurance company up to a value of 5 million euros per engine. Not that we've ever had to make use of it. If you'd like to try our products for yourself or would like more information, go to borpower.eu. Thank you.